Today we will start with Unit 9. As you can see, it's about holidays. In the photo, there is a diver with a snake. Maybe he's an explorer who prefers traveling to places where he can see snakes. In fact, his name is Zoltan Takas. How do you think his holidays are similar to his working life? An answer could be, the photo shows a diver with a snake. He is an explorer, so he travels to exciting, exotic locations in search of snakes. He probably goes on holiday to places where he can see snakes. And then continue with exercise number 2 on page 105. Listen to Zoltan and two other people talking. You are not going to listen, you're going to read the script. What is similar about their working life and their holidays? Write the answer in the book. Here you have got the script. Read that carefully and then answer the question. After that, you continue with exercise number 3. Some explained vocabulary here. Bed and breakfast, a term used in the UK to describe a place to stay. It's often somebody's family home. They rent out rooms and provide breakfast in the morning, but not lunch or dinner. A caravan or a camper van. A caravan is a home on wheels that you pull behind your car, but a camper van is a home on wheels that is also a big car or van. Clubbing is going to nightclubs and dancing. Hiking is walking long distances in the countryside. Sightseeing, looking at interesting places in a city. As you notice, the strong stress is on the first syllable of all these words. And here you have got an illustration with photos, the difference between caravan and camper van. And then you will continue with 9a, holiday stories. Before you read the story, have you ever had these problems on holiday? What did you do? It rained all the time, you missed your plane, your train, or your bus, or ferry. A ferry is a boat that goes from one place to another and back. For example, from New York to Ellis Island and back. The hotel wasn't very good, or you couldn't find your bag at the airport, or you got lost when you went sightseeing. Get lost means can't find your way. Or your family or friends couldn't agree on what to do. And then you read the text, holiday stories, and complete exercise number 2. After reading the story, answer the questions in the book. An explanation of what a tip means is money you give somebody in hotel or restaurant for being helpful. Now some background information for tipping. Tipping culture varies from country to country. In many parts of Asia, for example in China, South Korea and Japan, it isn't part of their culture and can be seen as insulting. In North America, tipping is a practiced social custom. Failing to tip 10% or 15% of the bill in restaurant is frowned upon, and most people who provide a service, example tour guiders, bar workers, taxi drivers, hairdressers, expect a tip. In Europe, a 10% tip to waiters is fairly standard, but not compulsory. In the UK, for example, people would ordinarily tip in a restaurant but not in a cafe or pub. People you might tip are waiters, hotel receptionists, tour guiders, taxi drivers, hotel maids, hairdressers, or bar staff. And then you continue with exercise number 3, which says read the story carefully and number the events in the order they happen. After that, you continue with exercise number 4. Read the questions and answer in your notebook. Here you have got some holiday collocations and their explanations. To go abroad means to go to a different country. Book a holiday. Call or go online to reserve the holiday by paying for the dates and hotel before you go to stay. Check in or check out at reception. When you sign your name at the front desk of the hotel, you check in. When you pay the bill and leave, you check out. Pack or unpack. Put things in a bag, take things out of a bag. Give a tip or leave a tip. Leave, for example, 10% of the bill. Brochure, in this case, is a magazine describing holidays you can book. Exercise number 5 on page 147. Complete the sentences with the verbs. After you try to find some of them in the text and underline them. And then complete exercise number 6. And finally, you have got the homework. You have to answer the questions in exercise number 4 on page 105 describing your holidays. And you write the answers in the book. Homework for your portfolio. Write a holiday story using holiday collocations that I explained previously. That was the lesson for today. Bye.